Good morning, Sanchita ma'am. My name is Kshitij Narone. My roll number is 25, and I am going to talk about a case study related to the topic of defamation. This is the disclaimer section of the presentation. Since we all know the meaning of defamation, let's get directly to the topic of the case study. So recently, E. Jean Carroll, an American journalist and columnist, accused Donald Trump of sexually assaulting her at a Manhattan store in the late 1990s. Let's focus on the word accusation and not allegation because accusation is used when someone has reasonable proof. So we can say that she had reasonable proof. But the accusation was denied by Donald Trump, who called E. Jean Carroll a liar. He even said that she isn't my type, so why would I sexually assault her? In short, he defamed her. The DOJ, that is the Department of Justice, said that the government should replace Donald Trump as defendant under the Federal Tort Claims Act. The act says that government can take place of government employees such as government officials, senators, etc. This is Roberta A. Kaplan. She is the lawyer of E. Jean Carroll. She said that Donald Trump cannot be considered under the act because in the late 1990s he wasn't even a government employee. He wasn't a president, he was just a businessman. She even requested for the DNA sample of Donald Trump because E. Jean Carroll didn't do anything to the dress that she was wearing in the late 1990s because even she thought that it could be of some help one day. Sadly, the request was denied by Donald Trump's lawyer. The conclusion of the case is it is still ongoing. The judge rejected the request of DOJ, which wanted the government to replace Donald Trump. Even the judge said that Donald Trump cannot be considered under the act. You can still read about the case since it circulates frequently on the internet. This is the bibliography, as in I have used these links to make the presentation. I would like to end the presentation with these two short quotes. I like these quotes because it talks about the psychological characteristics of the defamer. For example, to defame someone is to exhibit your dark traits as someone else's. For example, Donald Trump called E. Jean Carroll a liar. But in the past, he himself has lied a lot and defamed a lot of people. And the other quote talks about how much of a lowlife a defamer is because he finds joy in destroying other people's lives through the defamation of character. Thank you very much.